Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy breakfast. It's an oats upma. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are cup of oats, 4 cups of water, some oil, 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. You need couple of green chilies cut into slices, cilantro, onions. You need curry leaves or curry patta, some urad dal, that's 1 teaspoon, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, tomatoes and some mixed vegetables. So the first thing we want to do is add the oil. Let the oil heat and then we add the mustard seeds. Let it crackle and then I add the urad dal. I also add the curry leaves. I just added the green chilies now and then I add the onions and fry them. I also add these blanched vegetables so they can fry with the onions. Once the vegetables have started frying, I just add the tomatoes and a little bit of salt according to your taste, and then just saute them for a couple of minutes. So now I add the oats as well. And at this point of time I can add the ghee as well. Ghee gives a unique flavor, and the cilantro. I also add the water. And on low heat, just let everything simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after cooking this for about 5 minutes on low flame, I increase the flame now and let it cook till all the water evaporates. So our upma is now ready. The water has evaporated and we are going to turn off the flame. And in this bowl, I've just added a few pieces of cilantro and I'm just going to add this upma in this. So now we are going to serve this, and I slowly lift it because the bowl is really hot. A delicious and healthy oatmeal upma is now ready, and you can enjoy this on a weekday or a weekend breakfast. It's up to you. So if you really enjoyed watching my recipe, do like, subscribe and comment to my channel Payal's Recipe. Till next time, bye-bye.